Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can create a collage video only with a CapCut application. First, you just need to start on your project, and then you just need to pick which video that you want to use here for the beginning. I would like to use this one, and then you just need to tap add. So I already got this video, and the next thing you need to do is just go adding the overlay. In this overlay, you just need to go click add overlay, and then you just need to add the picture or the video that you want to add for collage. The next is adjusting this video. So for this video, I will like to make it like I want to cut it first. For the first video, by go click transform and go click resize in it, and I will like to cut it become like this. Now click this checklist button, and then you just need to place it into the area that you want to add this. It also works for the next. You just need to transform it by go click the transform and go click resize and pick the area that you want to keep, and then place it into the specific area. We still have one space empty there, so we need to add more overlay by go click this add overlay and pick the last video. And then you just need to resizing the video right here. And right after you're done, you will get this result. Now, that is the way how you can create a collage video easily with a CapCut application. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.